Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your 3D brand mockups in Blender step by step clearly. First, open your Blender application. Load the project containing your 3D brand mockups. Ensure that you are in the layout workspace for easy access. Click on the File menu in the top left corner. Select Save As from the drop-down options. In the file browser, navigate to the folder where you want to store your backup. Choose an appropriate name for your backup file. Make sure the file type is set to Blender file format, which is .blend. Click the Save as Blender File button to create the backup. To verify your backup, locate the folder where you saved it. Open the newly created backup file in Blender. Check if all your mockups are present and correctly displayed. Next, consider creating a compressed version of your backup. In the File menu, select External Data. Choose Pack All into .blend to include all textures and assets. This step ensures all resources are embedded in the backup file. After packing, save your file again using File and then Save. To further secure your work, consider cloud storage. Upload your backup file to a reliable cloud service. This adds an extra layer of safety against data loss. Regularly update your backups after making significant changes. Set a schedule to remind you to back up your files often. By following these steps, you will have a secure backup of your 3D brand mockups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.